The recipe requires half a kilogram of chicken pieces as the primary ingredient. Marinade components include half a cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Essential spices for the recipe are 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon each of turmeric powder, garam masala, and cumin powder. Salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of oil or butter are needed to complete the ingredient list. Raw chicken pieces must be thoroughly washed under running water to remove surface contaminants. Washing ensures the chicken is clean and prepared for the marination process. Proper washing is a crucial step in food safety, reducing the risk of bacterial contamination. The washing process involves rinsing all surfaces of the chicken to ensure complete sanitation. The initial step involves thoroughly washing the whole chicken under running water to remove any impurities. Cutting the washed chicken into medium-sized pieces ensures uniform cooking. Consistent piece sizes promote even heat distribution during the cooking process. Each piece should be approximately the same size to achieve optimal cooking results. Properly sized and uniformly cut chicken pieces contribute to a more palatable and visually appealing final dish. Yogurt, also known as dahi, is a key ingredient in many marinades. A marinade typically consists of an acidic component, such as yogurt, to tenderize and flavor food. Yogurt tenderizes food by breaking down proteins, resulting in a softer texture. The addition of yogurt to a marinade enhances the flavor profile of the dish. Using yogurt in marinades is a common culinary technique to improve both texture and taste. Lemon juice is added to yogurt in a bowl. The ratio is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice per serving of yogurt. The combination of lemon juice and yogurt creates a marinade. The marinade is used to tenderize and flavor food. Marinades enhance the taste and texture of various dishes. Ginger garlic paste, a drac lasan paste, is incorporated into a yogurt and lemon juice mixture. The combination of ginger garlic paste, yogurt, and lemon juice creates a marinade. The marinade is prepared by combining the ingredients thoroughly. The ginger garlic paste enhances the flavor profile of the marinade. Lemon juice tenderizes the meat while the yogurt adds moisture. The initial step involves measuring 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for the marinade. Subsequently, add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the mixture. Following turmeric, incorporate 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala into the blend. Lastly, include 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder to complete the dry spice component of the marinade. The combination of red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, and cumin powder forms the dry spice base for the marinade. Salt is added to the marinade to enhance the flavor profile of the food. The quantity of salt added should be adjusted to meet individual taste preferences. Salt not only enhances flavor but also acts as a preservative in marinades. The distribution of salt throughout the marinade should be uniform to ensure consistent flavoring. A variety of marinade ingredients are required to create a flavorful blend. Combining all ingredients in a bowl is the initial step in marinade preparation. Thorough mixing ensures a smooth and consistent marinade texture. Achieving a smooth and consistent marinade is essential for uniform flavor infusion. The completed marinade is now ready for use in flavoring and tenderizing food. Chicken pieces should be fully submerged and coated in the marinade. Complete coating ensures even flavor infusion throughout the chicken. Marinating enhances the chicken's tenderness and flavor profile. Proper marination requires uniform distribution of the marinade's ingredients. Marinating chicken for at least 2 hours allows flavors to infuse deeply. Refrigeration slows down bacterial growth during the marination process. Covering the bowl prevents the chicken from drying out and absorbing unwanted odors. Marinades tenderize the chicken by breaking down proteins. The duration of marination affects the intensity of flavor and tenderness. Acidic ingredients in marinades, such as lemon juice or vinegar, aid in tenderization. Marinated chicken pieces are threaded onto skewers in preparation for cooking. Skewering allows for even cooking and convenient handling during grilling, baking, or pan frying. The skewers provide a structure that maintains the shape of the chicken during the cooking process. Threaded skewers facilitate portion control and presentation of the cooked chicken. Skewers enable easy turning and maneuvering of the chicken during cooking, ensuring uniform heat exposure. Skewered chicken can be cooked using various methods such as grilling, baking, or pan frying. Grilling involves cooking the skewered chicken over direct heat, imparting a smoky flavor. Baking the skewered chicken in an oven provides even cooking and a tender result. Pan frying on a tawa involves cooking the skewered chicken on a flat surface with a small amount of oil. Cooking over medium heat ensures the chicken is cooked thoroughly without burning the outside. Brushing chicken tikka with butter or oil during cooking helps retain its juiciness. Applying butter or oil adds a smoky flavor to the chicken tikka. Basting helps to keep the chicken moist during the cooking process. The process of basting enhances the flavor profile of the chicken. Regular basting ensures even cooking and browning of the chicken surface. Butter and oil act as a protective layer, preventing the chicken from drying out. Chicken should be cooked until it achieves a golden brown color, indicating proper cooking. Tenderness to the touch is a key indicator that the chicken is fully cooked. Visual cues, such as color and texture, are essential for determining doneness. Internal temperature is a reliable method to ensure chicken is thoroughly cooked. Consistent cooking throughout prevents undercooked or overcooked portions. Properly cooked chicken exhibits a firm texture and easily separates fibers. Cooked chicken tikka is presented on a plate. Green chutney complements the chicken tikka. Fresh salad provides a refreshing element. Warm naan bread completes the meal. The dish is presented as a complete serving suggestion. The arrangement showcases a balanced and appealing meal.